Have you ever felt bad, ashamed, or angry about your behavior or even someone else's behavior? Well, these feelings can rob you of your joy. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 4 habits that you can do in order to protect your mind and your spirit. My name is Sima. Welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe to my channel because this channel can help you to grow as a senior through health, happiness, and your prosperity. The first one that I'm going to talk about is the most difficult one, clearing your conscience. Clearing your conscience. It's that inner voice that tells you if you're right or your behavior is wrong. And if you have a problem, though, with knowing the difference in right and wrong, then you need some basic fundamental foundation. But if you already know, and most people know in their conscience what is right and what is wrong, then that's going to help you and propel you into peace of mind and protect your spirit as well. Number two. Number two, I love this one so much because it's about the social world. And we do have to be careful about our social world. But it is connecting with friends or a trusted church organization of women or even a therapist. Yes, connecting with people who are like minded, who are growing and looking forward to the next day would be a good place to help protect your mind and your spirit because now you're in a group of ladies who have some of the same experiences and the same problems and challenges as you have. And in doing so, you can actually get some answers to your own problems. And you will find out that you're not alone. A lot of times we feel like an island and that nobody else has experienced what we're experiencing. But you would be surprised that if you connect with some kind of group, that you are not alone. Number three. Number three is a good one. This is a good one. This is a good one because we complain a lot, but how often are we thankful? Are you thankful? In fact, write in the chat, write in the comments section what you are thankful about. What are you thankful about today? You woke up. You have vision, may can't see as far or as quickly as you used to. You have legs. Can you walk? You may not be able to run or walk as fast as you used to. And what about reading, seeing? Can you read something that will help you in your life with some self-development and growth? So be thankful for something, food on your table, something to eat, the beautiful sunshine, even the rain. There's always something to be thankful for. Number four, this is the last one. But before I do number four, I want to read to you the definition of mind. I know it seems to be backwards, but I'm going to read to you the definition of your mind. The mind is the element of a person that enables them to be aware of the world and their experiences, to think and to feel, the faculty of consciousness and thought. Let me read the definition of spirit, and I'm going to give you the last one. Spirit is the non-physical part of a person, which is the seat of emotions and character, the soul. So as you can see, the mind and the spirit are very similar. Very similar. Now for the last one. Number four, you got to do something fun because it helps you to look forward to some space in your day, in your life, in your week. That's watching movies. Movies, old, new, especially Tubi movies. I have some friends and some acquaintances who have written movies, produced movies, and I enjoy those movies. There's a lot of talented people on Tubi. So check out Tubi. Look at some of the original movies, or look at some of the new movies, and look at some of the movies. Some of the movies that I like best are celebrities that have been in business for a long time, for years. But I've discovered that there's so much talent, and with today's new technology, new creators on Tubi are doing a fantastic job. Now, some of them are crappy, some are cruddy duddy, and so the good thing about it, you can turn right off. If you don't like it, if you don't like the start, if you don't like the trailer, just don't watch the movie. And some of these movies, they don't have trailers with them. So those, you can start it up and turn it off. That's the power of the power cord. I'm going to go over those one more time though, because we want to protect our mind and our spirit so that we can live longer and as long as we can, so we can be around for those who love us and those that we love. Number one was keep your conscience clear. Number two is connect with a friend, a therapist, or a group of women or group of guys. Number three, be prayerful. Say a prayer of thanksgiving on a habitual basis. And number four is watch some movies, have fun, and enjoy. And then your life will be more at peace, more at rest. You'll be calm, and you'll be gentle to others. And it will even help you to love better. It'll help you even to love yourself more, because you'll begin to appreciate yourself more when you do these habits, and you won't feel bad, ashamed, or angry about yourself and about other people. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video. Rejoice in the Lord always. And again I say rejoice. Let your moderation be known unto all men. The Lord is at hand. Be careful for nothing, but in everything, by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known unto God. And the peace of God, which passeth all understanding, shall keep your hearts and minds through Christ Jesus. Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report, if there be any virtue, and if there be any praise, think on these things. Those things which ye have both learned and received and heard and seen in me, do, and the God of peace shall be with you.